As you can see, this is directly on the hub because I had to use my quick release for another setup, and we're going to install a new quick release now. So, let's go. That's all we need. Maybe one of these, not sure. Test. It works. This is done. It will also bring the steering wheel closer to me a little bit, so I'll be in more control of the shifting and the handbrake activation without having to move too much of my seat position, with this already set up for my feet and my leg length and all that. So a little bit more comfortable. The steering will be more or less like here, so not kind of slightly tilted forward, just relaxed in rested position right here. It's all about the ding, boys. Hey, hey. One more time. It's all about the... Oh. Something went wrong here. Wrapping up. So the problem was that the wires that you saw me connecting, the yellow and the black one, they were touching the outer ring of the case of the quick release. So all you gotta do is correctly isolate them, because that plastic cover that goes on the connector is pretty crap. So just grab yourself a decent tape, do a proper job, and it's gonna be okay. It's not gonna touching the case in any direction and activating the horn by itself. Have done this multiple times already, but just by recording I got distracted and forgot to do that most important steps. So there we are, fully functional. Take it out, bring it home, put it in, and ding.
No life on Instagram. Otherwise your horn won't work.